Welcome to the Celestina appointment system tutorial. In this short video, I will explain how to complete your profile for the event registration. You should have now received an email from Celestina system with a request to submit your registration profile. This is what your counterparts will see and what a system will use to build your meeting agenda. Use the registration link and confirmation number from this email to start entering your details. Click and open provided link and copy and paste the confirmation number in requested field. Once you're logged in, you will see the delegate profile area. These are your basic registration details. Below these details, you will find fields where you must submit additional information so that your profile can be made visible for the appointment preference phase. These are the details we use to manage your appointment request, preferences, and to match your appointments in total. Delegate profile can be submitted only once, but for any further amendments needed in your profile area, please do contact our Celestina support team. It is vital that you answer these questions carefully and as accurately as possible. Please complete all requested fields and then you will be ready for the next step. Once all details are filled, do not forget to press submit, and you should also receive a confirmation email with all your answers stated.